Hi viewers, welcome to this video and today I will be teaching you why is your Discord stream shuttering. So just let's start. So first of all you guys have to make sure that you guys are connected to a good internet connection, because if you guys are not connected to a good internet connection, Discord might shutter your stream too much. And the second thing that you want to do is just close your Discord application and open up your task manager and click on Messages and search your Discord. After searching it, right click on your Discord application and click on End Task. After clicking End Task, your problem of Discord stream shuttering will be fixed, and that's how you guys can easily fix the problem of Discord stream shuttering. Discover the secrets to mastering Discord server creation and bot development with our comprehensive step-by-step course. Elevate your skills and become a Discord expert today. Check out the link in the description to get started. But if you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel, and thanks for watching.